cup of water. Okay, and we need a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. There we go. Measure that out. Okay. Does that look like 1/4 cup, Caleb? Yes? You gonna pour it in for me? Carefully. Good job, buddy. Go ahead and put the top down. Can you get to it? Here. Move this. Push this in. There you go. Alright, bring it down a little bit, baby. If you're going to overspin the cake, you'll have a problem. Okay, go ahead and stop it. Alright, now, all the way. Can you scooch over just a smidgen? Caleb, wait. Bam! Get out! Alright, scoochy. I gotta find the... Alright, gosh darn it. There it is. That's what it is. Make sure we get all the cake mix in here. I actually think it is. Alright, should we mix it just a little bit more to make sure everything's been mixed in? Just a little bit, though. There you go. Go ahead. Alright, that should be good. Go ahead and turn it off, baby. Alright, let's get the... Oh, it's locked, baby. There you go. Alright, Mama's gonna get the pan. 1 cake pan. Coming up. Gotta mix all this. It tastes better in the cake, buddy. You know what I'm saying? All this extra cake mix off. So it doesn't drip all over my mixer too. Okay. You ready? I don't know what that was. A piece of dirt. No dirt in my cake mix. And you scrape the bowl. Scrape it on out of there. Go ahead. Oops. Almost made a mess. Is that good cake? That tastes good so far?